Once I was reading several articles regarding what has come first, writing process, reading process, speaking process, or listening process, or what have come first in this world, written words, spoken words. I ask you to think. So there are lots of people, they say that spoken words came first, or listening words through spoken comes first. But dear friends, I have come to know through various research, various reading, that images have come first. If you think, being a child, what will you see when you open your eyes? You see images everywhere. And there are lots of people who are visually challenged, so they listen various sounds. And if they have problem with their ears, their listening faculty, so they may feel something. They feel the presence of nature, and they have also imaginations, as imaginations is more powerful than reality. Imagination is more important than the fact. And this we forget. When we learn something, we forget that these imaginations, the sounds are primordial. They are our basic, they are fundamental to our human being. If we go further to this two phenomenon of images, visuality and audible, that is sounds and visual, then comes the words. You know how was a language, any language was formed? Initially, there were shapes in the form of nature. There are tree, they might have some shapes. If you come to know, there is a shape of Y, shape of U in some tree, shape of C, right? So first comes, or human minds or human beings have seen the shapes, and they decided that let's call it, there is a two stick and there's a between one stick, that's call its a sounds. So this shape is made of images. First images have come, and then come sounds, and then comes its interpretations and its depiction in the form of written words. So in ancient time, if we look at any cave painting, so people of ancient time used to memorize things using various painting, various arts. So it is very useful in understanding scientific learning process. Why I am reiterating to you, in my past YouTube lecture, I already discussed about the problems of learning, the pain of learning. The pain of learning can be lethal, can lead to suicide, can lead to deep anxiety, can lead to stress and depression. So friends, use human wide resources which we already have got. And there are things naturally. See, look how beautiful things are there. In nature, everything is there. If you look at the various things, you can find, right, inspirations. Okay, you know, it is my, simple job to make you aware of this this is the reason that I always retreat and tell again and again to focus on your learning science, to focus on your acquisition devices, acquisition theory, using various approaches, methods, techniques, and tools. You don't need to go outside. It's all there in our human, and technologies are already in with our phone, in Google. So dear friends, use it and optimize it at your level and enjoy the process. Learning is a beautiful process. Just enjoy it. Best wishes.